Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best science experiment books is probably one of the most exciting ways to spark a child's interest in science. These books are packed with fun and engaging experiments, perfect for young scientists eager to explore the world around them. From simple projects using household items to more complex experiments, these books offer a hands-on learning experience that makes science both accessible and enjoyable for kids of all ages. Number 5. Good Housekeeping Amazing Science, 83 Experiments. Are you ready for some amazing science? This book is packed with hands-on experiments. It's designed to ignite a passion for STEM in young minds. This book features 83 exciting experiments. It covers science, technology, engineering, art, and math. It's a fun way to learn. Discover the wonders of science. This book provides clear instructions and engaging activities. It's perfect for curious kids. This book is from Good Housekeeping. It's a trusted source for quality and educational content. You can be sure it's a great choice. Get ready for hours of fun and learning. This book makes science accessible and enjoyable. It's a fantastic gift for any child. What we like. This book offers a wide variety of experiments, ensuring there's something for every young scientist. It's perfect for those who want a comprehensive collection of activities. If you are looking for a book that covers a broad range of scientific topics, this is the one for you. What people say. This will be great to work on some things at home. I love that this feeds a child's curiosity while teaching them that science can be fun. This book has great experiences. We did the milk one right away. The kids loved it. The instructions are simple and pictures are colorful. The ingredients are generally everyday household items with a few random exceptions. Number 4. Awesome Science Experiments for Kids. Are you ready for some fun? This book is packed with over 100 exciting STEM and STEAM projects. It's a fantastic way to learn and explore the world around you. Discover a wide variety of experiments. From building to creating, there's something for every young scientist. It makes learning fun and engaging. Each experiment explains the science behind it. You'll understand why things happen the way they do. This helps you learn and grow. This book is perfect for kids who love to explore. It encourages creativity and critical thinking. It's a great resource for parents and educators. Get ready to dive into the world of science. This book will inspire you to ask questions and discover new things. It's an adventure waiting to happen. What we like. With over 100 projects, it provides endless hours of educational fun. It's designed to make learning engaging and enjoyable for kids. If you have a child who loves to explore and experiment, this book will keep them entertained for hours. What people say. This is an amazing book. Great alternative for iPads and TV for the summer. I think the age range is around 4 to 11 years, possibly even 12-year-olds will love these experiments. They are easy enough for an older brother to do with a younger brother, a babysitter, or hopefully mom or dad. As my 11-year-old grandson said, "Can I do some of these on my own?" Definitely. This book has different sections of experiments explaining things, why something works or reacts in the way it does, in a scientific way. There are 5 sections to the book. They are in science, technology, engineering, art, and math. There are 16 to 30 or more experiments in each section. An example is in the picture below from the beginner science section. Titled, "Does it rust?" Easy Science Experience. My kids love doing the experience together and it gets them off screens. Number 3. Awesome Physics Experiments for Kids. Are you ready to explore the fascinating world of physics? This book is packed with 40 fun science projects. It explains why these experiments work in a way that's easy for kids to understand. Inside, you'll discover a wide variety of experiments. From building simple machines to exploring the properties of light and sound, it covers many different areas. It's a hands-on way to learn about the world. Each experiment includes clear explanations. It breaks down the science behind each project. This helps you understand the why behind the what. This book is designed to make learning fun. It encourages kids to explore science, technology, engineering, art, and math. It's a great way to spark curiosity and creativity. Get ready for an adventure. This book is your guide to understanding the amazing principles of physics. It's a fun and educational journey for young scientists. What we like. This book dives deep into the world of physics with 40 exciting projects. It explains the why behind each experiment, fostering a deeper understanding. If you're looking to understand the principles of physics, this book is an excellent choice. What people say. This book is packed with physics experiments that explain the why, not just the steps. With clear diagrams, simple materials, and visual instructions, this book supports learners who process information best through imagery and hands-on exploration. It helps them learn why and think through what would happen if we incorporated X or Y variables and form hypotheses. Number 2. 101 Coolest Science Experiments. Are you ready for some awesome science fun? This book is packed with 101 simple experiments. It's perfect for doing with your parents or babysitters. This book offers a wide variety of experiments. It covers many different scientific principles. You'll have a blast exploring the world around you. These experiments are designed to be done with supervision. It's a great way to bond with the adults in your life. Get ready for some hands-on learning. The experiments use common household items. The instructions are easy to follow. You'll be amazed at what you can discover. This book makes science fun and accessible. It encourages curiosity and exploration. Get ready to become a young scientist. What we like. It features 101 simple experiments that are easy to follow. It's designed for kids to do with adults. If you are looking for a book with simple experiments that can be done with minimal supervision, this is a great option. What people say. Each contains a mess meter, level of supervision required, predicted times for prep and experiment, concise and easy to follow instructions, description of outcome, and an explanation of the science. Each experiment is explained clearly and simply. Each experiment lists simple to follow instructions, ingredients, tips, estimated time frames, the level of ease, and even how messy it is. Number 1. Awesome outdoor science experiments for kids. Are you ready for some outdoor fun? This book is packed with over 50 STEAM projects. It will show you how to make learning fun. This book offers a wide variety of experiments. They cover different areas of science, technology, engineering, art, and math. It's a great way to learn new things. Each experiment explains the science behind it. You'll understand not just what to do, but also why it happens. This helps you learn and remember. It's part of the Awesome STEAM Activities for Kids series. This means it's designed to be engaging and educational. It's a fantastic resource for young learners. Get ready to explore the outdoors with this book. It provides hands-on activities. It encourages curiosity and discovery. What we like. This book encourages kids to take their science adventures outside. It offers over 50 STEAM projects perfect for outdoor exploration. If you like spending time outdoors and want to combine it with science, you should consider this one. What people say. So many fun ideas, and very nice quality book, with clear directions and pictures. Good book. It has been a great science learning for my 7-year-old grandson. There's sections for science, technology, engineering, a bit more challenging, art, and math. Under science there's a demonstration for photosynthesis and 2 different leaves, 1 sun-loving plant and its leaves and 1 shade-loving plant and its leaves. You submerge 1 leaf in a cup of water and place in the sun to see which leaf will make bubbles from oxygen. The experiment is laid out clearly, with the suggested season for each, the steps, the messiness level, difficulty, time needed, the explanation, and further experimentation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.